Good morning, this is Giles at Divergent Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick preview for today, the 12th of Feb, and just have a quick look at the market and what zones I'm looking at and expectations for today. Overnight, we've seen the Globex market rally higher in line with Europe, currently up 22 points at 1846. We just had retail sales out, which were slightly better than expected. Now, if we have a look at the charts here on the left, zones I've got for today, which are on my blog, we're just pushing into the 46.25, 48.25 level, which, as you can see, was this high volume node here from at the end of last week, earlier this week. And I'm really expecting, either if this does not hold, to see sort of balanced trade back down, potentially down to this sort of value area from yesterday, and see a balancing time for much of the day. Or if we do start to accept above 48.25, then I think we're going to try and see pressure on the shorts and push up here into this zone, and potentially if this 55 breaks, then I can see a more of an acceleration up towards this 63, 65 area, and even potentially higher if the market's got strong momentum. But really, I think this 48 point here, this high volume node, if the market can't push its way back through there, then I think we're going to see some responsive selling to try and at least push down at the top of yesterday's value area. If we do start to accept back inside yesterday's value, then I think we'll rotate through that area. Possible support here, this 1575, 1750 area, and certainly this point down here is a strong area of support we saw yesterday. And if this fails below here, then I think it's very likely we're going to try and take out the low from yesterday, the 1802 and a half, I believe it was. And underneath that, then I think the market could really accelerate. Not sure if that's really the most likely scenario today, really, given the sort of bullish move in overnight. I think it's higher expectation we're going to see more balancing in this sort of point. Anyway, for today, these are the zones I'm using, and really relying on this overnight high area to see if this holds or is rejected or is accepted above, as being a pretty key to the price action today. So there we have it. Thanks very much. Cheers.